Hi, Christine Toney here with Essentially Styled, and today I want to show you a lotus bun, and I have a special guest. This is my daughter Hannah, and she is very good at this. She has very long, down to her waist hair, and if you I'm going to have you back up to the camera so I can really see that. This is a lotus bun. It kind of looks like a figure 8. Okay, now tip back and then tip your head chin down a little bit. There you go. So you can see how that works, and she's going to show you. You could see about there. Now I'm going to show you how long her hair is. It's down past mid-back. So I'm going to have her go ahead and then I'll show you what she's doing. Basically, it doesn't really matter how long your hair is. If it's super long, you do need to be able to do a bun twice. So if your hair is super short, you may have to grow it out a little bit for this one. But you just wrap your hair as many times as you need to in a secure traditional bun. Okay? So she goes around much longer. I wanted her to demonstrate this because my hair is just barely long enough to do this. And it looks a little nicer on her. So you tuck that, secure that end in. So you have your bun. I'm gonna have you turn sideways so they can see. So you can see all those donuts, how many times she's gone around. I call them donuts. The top one is the initial bun that started, the thickest part of the hair. Okay, now she's gonna take that top loop or donut and flip that up right up above, straight up above the bun, and it forms kind of a figure 8. And she's going to take a stick, and today we are using, sorry, I'm going to steal it for a second, our cranberry one. I just love this, it matches her shirt. But she's going to take that and she's going to put the stick in through the top loop. Okay, there's that hole of that figure 8. Okay, she's going to put in the top loop. She's going to grab hair from underneath, come straight down and come up the bottom hole, okay, of that loop, and that secures that twist. And you can see the figure 8. It's just a beautiful look. See that sideways? Isn't that nice? Yeah, mine's not quite that obvious of an 8. It just looks really nice with longer hair. So that's the lotus bun. Now I'm going to try and do this myself. She's never done it on the side, so I'm going to do my best to do that. So I'm going to brush out her hair a little bit. Okay. Now when you're doing it on the side and you want the horizontal, you're going to start just a little off center, or else your bun is going to be off center. Okay, so I want to start the bun just to the left or the right, depending on which way you're going to flip it. I'm starting just to the left. Boy, she's got so much. I'm not used to twisting nearly this much hair. Okay. Keep twisting. And twisting. And I'm going to tuck that in, holding onto that bun. Just keep that in there. So this top loop, I am going to flip over. Okay. So now it's centered on her head. And we're going to go in this one loop, go under, grab some hair from underneath, and come up the other side for a sideways lotus bun. Okay, turn this way a little bit. Okay, so very easy way to get your hair up if you have longer hair. It's just something a little more unique. But I just wanted to be able to show you that while she was home for the summer for a few days. So thank you, Hannah. And if you have any questions, let me know. We would be happy to help you out. Thanks. Bye-bye.